possibly the best Android Wear watch of 2020. Hey guys, it's Sam Morton from TechFusions, and today we've got a review on the TicWatch Pro 3 GPS. Keep watching to find out more. Before this video starts, I'd like to say a big thank you to Movoy for sending out this amazing Android watch for us to review. If you check out the link in the description, you can get a discount on the watch by using the promo code which is on screen now. There's also a link to Amazon down below. So this is Movoy's latest WearOS watch with the new and updated features. Here is the box of the watch. On the back of the box it has a list of features, so feel free to pause the video. I will cover these features later in the video. Included in the box is the watch, the USB charging cable and the user manual. They include this quick guide manual which covers the basic functions and navigational buttons. Looking inside the box, you have the watch itself. Putting this to the side, the box also contains the charger, which is a magnetic charger with a flat cable, and it connects to the watch like this. Taking a closer look at the watch, I really like the design. The black stainless steel body and the orange stitching on the silicone wrist strap gives the watch a nice finish. I really like it. Now, powering on the watch for the first time, it will take you through a setup wizard and it will tell you to open up the WearOS app on your phone. This will direct you through the steps to set up your brand new TicWatch. The watch has a dual display 2.0 technology which layers a low power consuming screen called the always on display and a high quality AMOLED display which looks amazing. Text and graphics look very crispy and the display is nice and bright, even better than the TicWatch Pro 4G which I reviewed last year. Comparing this watch to the TicWatch Pro 4G, the watch is lighter, faster and has an even better battery life, which really impressed me. Navigating around the watch is super fast, thanks to the Qualcomm Snapdragon 4100, which greatly improves speed and battery life. I didn't notice any lag while switching between apps on the watch and just navigating. The chip comes with a 150% GPU increase, 85% CPU and memory increase and a 25% increase on power saving. Talking about power saving, their website quotes the battery will last up to 72 hours of battery life in the smart mode and 45 days in essential mode, which just displays the basic time and date in the greyed out always on display mode. From my experience, the battery has been lasting between 2 and 3 days before even thinking about putting it on charge. Again, pretty impressive stats right there. This is with moderate to high usage, a lot of notifications coming through the watch, and tracking steps and other health features on the watch. Another great feature of this watch is the IP68 water resistant rating. This means you can go swimming with the watch on and even track your swim using the built-in workout modes. Accessing the different workout modes is easy. By pressing the second button on the right hand side, it will display the different workout modes you can select. I only tested out the workout modes lightly, so if you like a more in-depth review of the workout functionality, please let us know by commenting down below. The TicWatch Pro 3 GPS has a Google Assistant built in, which you can activate by holding down the top button. Every time I tested this out, it worked great and clearly picked up my voice even when I was outdoors. So if you're a fan of using Google Assistant, this watch will be perfect for you. If you're into customizing your watch face, it's super easy on this watch. Just click and hold on the screen and then you can swipe through and select a new watch face. You can also download this free app called Facer, which contains loads of free watch faces. Just a little tip for you there. With WearOS, you can go on the Google Play Store and download tons of different apps. Using Spotify on the watch was handy to control music playing through my speakers or through my phone. It just worked really well. The watch comes preloaded with their own set of apps. The new TicOxygen app measures your blood oxygen saturation, a great new feature if you want to monitor your health. I also tested out the Tick Pulse, which will monitor your heart rate. Tick Breathe, which will help you control your breathing. And the Tick Hearing, which uses the built-in microphone to monitor the current noise level around you. The watch also has built-in NFC, so you can add your card to the watch and pay for items directly from your watch. So what do I think about the TicWatch Pro? Well, I really enjoyed my time with the watch. It's got a nice display, it's super fast, and it's really easy to use. I definitely recommend it if you're looking for an Android watch. Again, the link for the watch is in the description down below, where you can check out even more details and specs on the watch. If you like this review, please give this review a big thumbs up, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to TechFusions. This has been Sam, and I'll catch you in the next TechFusions video.